Welcome back. So today we're going to go over the hottest deals and most popular items on Amazon, from makeup to fall decorations to fashion. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So first we have this L'Oreal Paris Infallible up to 24-hour wear brow lamination, water resistant, long wear, eyebrow gel makeup, clear transparent, 0.16 fluid ounces. Showing 27% off, $10.98. Oh, and just as a reminder, all these will be linked in the description under the moniker affiliate links if you're interested. We're just going to do rapid fire next. We have the Modatope knee-high boots, kitten low heel faux leather pointed toe side zipper fall long tall boots for women. Lowest price in 30 days. So this moniker here is what you want to see. These have been pretty accurate when I look into them. They are accurate to the lowest price in 30 days. So that's what you want to see. These are $58.49. So a really good deal. And keep going. Next we have the PLNOTME women's denim tops pullover trendy casual v-neck loose fit puff sleeve jean cotton shirts, $46.98, but there is a 20% coupon. So 20% off of $46 is about $4.60, 10%, so $9.20, $9.30 roughly off. So you'll get this for about $36. So really good deal, especially if you're combining it with the coupon, and of course they offer different colors. We keep going. So here's the Amika Super Strength Repair Wash and Care Set. This is a premium brand, 5% off, $50.35, and it comes with the conditioner, cleanse, detangle, and heat protect, strengthen 3.2 times for 69% less breakage. Sea buckthorn plant butters, vegan proteins, bond pure technology. So Amika Super Strength Repair Wash and Care Set, $50.35. Next we have this 18 karat gold plated Clover bracelet, dupes gold lucky bracelet for women, flower 4-leaf bracelets, jewelry gifts for women. So this is an Amazon choice. It's a limited time deal, $20 off for a gold plated jewelry bracelet, super cute, and it's $11.18. Keep going. We have the ZESICA Women's 2024 Fall 2-piece outfits, sweater sets, long sleeve, pullover tops, wide leg pants, lounge set. Super fancy crew neck. And available in multiple colors, but this is where the deal is. It's $49.99 for the 2-piece set, but if you add the 40% off, that's 10% is $5, right? Off of $50. So it's $20 off. So you'll get this for $30, a 2-piece set for $30. So really excellent deal, as long as you're adding the coupon. And we continue the HOTOUCH women's sweater, vest, oversized v-neck, sleeveless knit pullover, ribbed vest dress with pockets. It's $38.99, and of course it's available in multiple colors by HOTOUCH store. Keep going. Here we have the Juice V Trendy Suede Crescent shoulder bag, women's tote bag, satchels, crossbody purse, top handle, travel college work tote, handbag, and it is $26.99. Some of the other colors are $28.99 or $27.99, but it is suede, imported, has a zipper, something to consider. We keep going. We have the UNCLECAT, is that what? UNCLECAT? The UNCLECAT women's striped checkered sweater, 2024 V-neck fall sweaters, casual knit, trendy pullover tops. It's showing 12% off. It's $37.99, but again, make sure you're looking for the coupon. This is a 15% off, so 10% would be about $3.70. Add an extra $1.50 off of that, so it'd be about $5 off roughly. So you get it for about $32.99. So pretty good deal for this V-neck fall sweater casual. And we continue. We have the Zenlonr women's fall sweaters 2024 casual long Batwing. Sleeve loose off, shoulder knit pullovers, jumper tops. It's just showing $38.99. And of course, it's available in multiple colors and a coffee. And continue. Here we have the PRETTYGARDEN sweater dresses for women 2024 trendy long sleeve button down short fall dress. This is $44.99. And these are the ones where you really get the bang for your buck because, again, it has 20% off. So you'll get an extra $8, basically $9 off. So you can get this for $35 as long as you're applying this coupon. But we continue. We have ANRABESS women two-piece outfit, striped sweater skirt, the casual long sleeve pullover, top lounge travel midi dress. So this is currently $42.99, and of course available in multiple colors. Continuing, we have the Ekouaer women's ribbed knit pajama sets. Of course, these pajamas are super popular right now, especially during the winter time. Two-piece lounge set, long sleeve button down PJ sleepwear set with pockets. $37.99, but the best thing is a 20% coupon. So you're going to get about $7.40 off. So you'll get this two-piece pajama set for about $30, which is excellent. And of course, multiple colors available. We continue. So here we have another Ekouaer women's pajama set, two-piece lounge outfits, long sleeve, ladies PJs, loungewear, tops and pants with pocket sleepwear. This is showing 31% off. And this is $19.97 and up to 10% off if you qualify on certain items. So depending how much you get or how many you get, you can even stack some more deals. Continuing with the Ekouaer, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Women two-piece pajama set, button down. This is short sleeve PJs set, soft lounge set with long pants, showing $33.97, and of course available in multiple colors. And we continue. We have the ANRABESS women's two-piece lounge pajamas, a ribbed knit long sleeve, top pants matching set 2024, fall outfits clothes. So this is $33.99, and of course, really any color that you prefer. And then moving on to some more fall decorations, we have the Artgar pumpkin decor set, 23 pieces, fall harvest decorations, including mini pumpkins, acorns, pine cones, berries, maple leaves for home table, wedding, DIY, fall. Halloween's already passed, but Thanksgiving decor, 12% off, $14.99. Pretty interesting. Continue. We have the brown wine glasses set, 6 to 16 ounces, which is what I like to hear. Long stem African American wine glasses, hand blown amber stemware for wedding, birthday parties. Wow, these are super high quality. $52.99, and of course you can get up to 10% off if you qualify if you're shopping different items. They do have different colors, right around the same price. We continue. Here we have the pumpkin ramekins, small ceramic pumpkin bowls for baking, 6-ounce oven safe. Mini pumpkin dish, super cute, for serving dip and sauces. This is a 4-piece set. It's $18.99, made of ceramic, 6 ounces each. And we continue. Here we have the Keto Thanksgiving Fall Table Runner, cheesecloth runner, terracotta gauze, 120-inch, 10-foot Rustic burnt orange cheesecloth for wedding, baby, bridal showers, friendsgiving, party, sheer home decoration. So for any fall occasion or any occasion, it's 32% off, $12.99. So an excellent deal. And we continue. Here, moving on to some footwear. We have, this is for men's, the Uggs men's Tasman slipper, $109.95, and these look super warm and super comfortable. I wish I had a pair. $109.95, and of course they're available in multiple trims and different colors. Continuing on, here we have the Pullover by Ugg women's. This is a tizzy clog. These are fantastic. $79.99, so definitely a really good deal. And available in a few different colors. The Pullover by Uggs women, $79.99. And now we have the Fittery women's platform slippers, suede ankle boots with fleece lined for indoor outdoors, size 6 to 11. It's a limited time deal, so 30% off. Rarely do you see Uggs get down to this price. $41.99, of course, available in multiple colors, 30% off, so really good deal. Fittery women's platform slippers, suede ankle boots. Did I say these were Uggs? These are not Uggs. These are Fittery. Correction, so these are Fittery. 100% genuine leather upper, suede ankle boots with fleece lined for indoor outdoors. Still a really good price. I was going to say Uggs, don't see them at this price, but still really good price for a similar product. $41.99. Here we go. This is actually Uggs. So here we have the Ugg women's classic ultra mini platform boot, $159.95, and of course available in your preference of color. And moving over to some excellent deals on jeans. Jeans, I'm sure as everybody knows, are super expensive just in general, especially Levi's. But there's some heavy hitters here, and we're just going to go through them. So here we have the women's, Levi's women's ribcage straight ankle jeans. 60% off, $31.49, limited time deal. These are like hot items. Here we have the 311 women's Levi's shaping skinny jeans, also available in plus, 58% off, $28.99. It's a steal. Here's the Levi's women's 94 baggy jeans, also available in plus, limited time deal, 58% off, $33.55. Here's the Levi's women's 724 high-rise straight jeans, also available in plus, 69% off. They're basically giving these away, $21.22 for these jeans. Levi's for $21. That's crazy. It's crazy. Here, Levi's women's wedgie straight jeans. These are $39.99, 50% off. Excellent deal. If you're just getting jeans, you're winning here. You're winning. Next, the Levi's women's classic bootcut jeans, also available in plus, 50% off for $29.99. Excellent deal. Moving on to some winter wear. We have the Suede women's casual hoodies, long sleeve, solid, lightweight pullover tops, loose sweatshirt fit with pockets. Limited time deal, 28% off, $23.90, and then you get an extra 15% off. So that's an extra, what is that, $3-ish off, almost $4 off. So you're getting this for about $20. $20 hoodie, which seems like an excellent deal, limited time deal. Continue. Let's go back to some jeans out of nowhere. Here we have the Levi's women's 726 high-rise flare jeans, also available in plus. Limited time deal, 51% off, $33.90. Moving on, we have the Bronax pillow slippers for women and men, house slides, shower sandals, cushion thick sole. Limited time deal, 43% off, $20.36. This seems like an excellent deal. Those look super, super comfy. And for the cold heads. The Redes Woman Winter Pom Pom beanie hat with warm fleece lined, thick slouchy snow knit skull ski cap. This is 15% off, limited time deal for $8.49. Seems like an excellent deal. It'll keep you nice and warm. And of course, available in multiple colors. And moving back to some jeans, some Levi's. Oh, not jeans. Oh yeah, they are jeans. Levi's women's 720 high rise, super skinny jeans. Also available in plus. Look at this. 73% off. $18.77. I'm not a woman, and I'm about to buy these because the deal seems that good. 73% off. $18 for a pair of jeans. That's crazy. And then last but not least, we have the Gisona women's cat socks. Cat gifts, cute animal socks, dog owl gifts for women. Limited time deal, 20% off, $9.59. And we'll leave it at that. Again, everything will be linked in the description. Please consider liking and or subscribing if you found these deals useful. Thank you.